Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to refund items in Roblox, what works and what doesn't. I once bought something in Roblox by accident and immediately wondered if there was a way to get a refund. While Roblox doesn't offer automatic refunds for most purchases, you can still contact their support team if the charge was unauthorized or made by mistake. What I did was open a browser and go to the Roblox website, then sign into my account. From there, I click on the settings gear and navigated to the Help and Safety section, which leads to the Help Center. In the search bar, I'll type on refund and open the article related to unauthorized charges and refund requests. After scrolling down, there's an option to contact Roblox Support. The form asks for details like your username, email address, device type, and the category of the issue, usually under billing and payments. In the description box, I explain the purchase and request a refund. Once submitted, Roblox reviews the request and replies by email with the next steps if the refund is possible. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.